Okay, another example. E. Now we've got x squared minus 3x minus 24. So again, I want a factor pair of 24 that multiplies the equal negative 24 and adds the equal negative 3. So tell me the factor pairs of 24. 3 and 8. What else?
12 and 2.
12 and 2.
6 and 4.
6 and 4. And don't forget
1
and 24. Oh, don't forget that one. Sometimes that one comes in handy. So I set up my brackets, right? Two binomials, both beginning with x. Do I have to change the signs on any of these pairs? Probably, because I've got some negatives in here, right? So what would work? Let's see.
3 and 8.
3 and 8? How would that work?
Should be negative 3 and negative 8.
Negative 3 and negative 8?
Oh.
No. Because you multiply them, you get a positive.
No, it would be negative 3 and positive 8.
Negative 3, positive 8? You add those together, you get positive 5.
So not factorable?
Not factorable. Okay. What could you change that middle number to make it factorable? 2? 5? What else?
6.
6? Not 6.
No.
I like the suggestion for 5. Let's do that. X squared plus 5x minus 24. What would that factor to? What would I need here and here? Pardon me?
3 and 8.
3 and 8. Which one would be positive? Got 3 and 8. The 8 would be positive and the 3 would be negative. Let's see if that works, right? Positive 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Good. Positive 8 minus 3 is just 5. So that works nicely. Awesome. Okay, let's go to G. So, do I still do normal factoring? Does x squared have a coefficient of whatever it is I need? 1? Yeah. Thinking and writing. Come on, 2. There we go. Yeah, I still do normal factoring. Okay, so I set up my brackets just like I normally do. I know the y might throw you for a bit, but I'll just show you how to put that in at the end. 2 factors that multiply to equal negative 18 add to equal positive 3. So I think of the factor pairs of 18, and I've got 1 and 18.
2 and 9.
2 and 9, thank you. Last one?
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Okay. Which one's going to work?
Negative 3 and 6.
Good. Negative 3, positive 6. Let's just double check that works. Negative 3 times positive 6 is negative 18. Negative 3 plus 6 is positive 3. So we're good.
Oh, beautiful.
For the y, all we do is we put the y after the second term in each binomial. So you put the y there and put the y there, and it'll all multiply out nicely. Okay, if you don't believe me, maybe you take a moment after we're done and multiply it out to make sure it works. Last one, I promise. Okay. Let's go to H. This is H. So we have r squared this time, minus 10rs plus 9s squared. So factors that multiply to equal 9 add to equal negative 10. What are the factor pairs of 9?
1 and 9.
1 and 9,
3.
3 and 3. Which ones are we going to use?
1 and 9.
1 and 9. Good. So what do I put? I don't put x anymore. What do I put? R, right? R and R. 1 and 9. What are their signs? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Both negative. right? Negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9, and then negative 1 plus negative 9, that's negative 10. So that works out nicely. Good, and how do I get the s in there?
Just put it
Just
on
put
the
it
end.
after 8.
Yeah, I put it after the second terms, right? There are the s's.